How to fix BodySpace app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, BodySpace, and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, you can launch the app and check whether it is working or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, then head towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, head over to the app BodySpace. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on Delete app. Click on Delete app. For that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app BodySpace. Once app appears, install it. By following all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can fix BodySpace app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.